You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation: Serbian. Artist and performer. If you want to learn more names of famous artists that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Serbian pronunciation: Marina Abramović. Marina Abramović. In English, therefore, pronunciation is as Marina Abramović. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.